When life gives you lemon, you make a lemonade. What does that mean? In that bitterness, in that hard time, in that difficult time, you keep moving forward. It doesn't matter. But when you sit down, you will not achieve your goals. You will not achieve your dreams. But when you continue, even if you cry, you will achieve your dreams. That is what I mean. When life gives you lemon, you make a lemonade. You drink it, you suck it up and go. But when you sit down because it's too hard, it's too difficult, you will not get anywhere in your life. But when you run and keep moving forward, no matter how hard it is, my friends, your life will be better than it is right now. Remember, God loves you, and I love you.